Okay, today, class, we are going to go ahead and continue our study of important men throughout history. So, let's go ahead and make a list. George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, John F. Kennedy, Robert F. Kennedy, Teddy Roosevelt, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. These are just some of the few examples that we can think of important white men in our history. So, class, we should all try to model ourselves after these important male figures, such as Richard Nixon, Truman, Eisenhower. These are really strong, important people. Good moral code, like Bill Clinton. That's just one of several examples of strong males that we can look to for guidance. I am not dealing with this. I am tired of you acting out. Go see him.
Miss Wright, how many times do we have to go through this? I'm a very busy man, and I don't have time for women rocking the boat. If I catch you in here again, you'll know the consequences.
Impressive. I like your new outfit.
I would definitely get a handful of that. Well.
Alex, what do you think you're doing?
What I want.
Ooh, Alex, look at her outfit. Hey, Alex. Do you like florals? I like florals. Alex. 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 Look at her outfit. Floral sundress. I think you'd look really cute in it.
Okay.
Ooh, why don't you wear some mascara?
Why?
Because it's accentuating for your eyes.
Okay.
I love the pink shirt. Ooh, what about these jeans?
Read a book.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, Mrs. Wright.
How are you?
I'm good.
Alex, you called again.
Well,
No. I don't know why you can't follow the rules. I need help downstairs. Now. Alex, help me get this out. Help me get this out. Help me get this out. Help me get this out.
I'll do it.
Oh, you're so sweet. Be careful, they're hot.
Ladies and gentlemen, our youth have lost their way. They need to have our values. We need to bring them back to our thoughts and our minds in order to save our institutions. You need to vote for Jack Olson. Well, thank you, young lady. You're going to make some man happy one day. Help me get this out. Joe?
you don't have to do what he says.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, look at that.
Impressive.
Original.
Can't blow me.
You know, this is the last time we're going to see him.
Help me get this out.
Look who I've found again.
We're not dealing with this anymore. Help me get this out.